Two major problems with our present day kids is diet and their sedentary lifestyle. So as we are seeing, our kids are eating more and more junk food, less of fibers, and they are spending more time with the screen. Whenever, like in my OPD, whenever I ask any kid what is your favorite game, they will without any exception, they will always tell me a name of some online games. They don't consider even our cricket, football or running, all these like as a game anymore. So that is what the tectonic shift we are seeing in the children's lifestyle these days, and these all is leading to fatty liver. So fatty liver has become a big problem in the kids these days. So what happens is a lot of fat is getting accumulated in the liver because children are eating a lot of sugary food, a lot of oily food, and they are not spending all the energy that they are consuming. So it is all getting collected in the body and mainly in the liver. So what happens with the fatty liver is, fatty kid with a fatty liver grows into an adult with fatty liver, and all the metabolic syndrome, what we call hypertension, hyperlipidemia, like increased cholesterol in the body, and diabetes comes quite early in the life in these kids. So it is very important to identify and to prevent as early as possible fatty liver in our kids. So we can do as a parent is, we all know it, but the thing is we are not applying it enough. So most important is diet. So children should not have that much of sugary food, processed food and oily food. It should be in a limited quantity, and there should be a lot of fiber in the food. Second thing, all kids should do 30 minutes to 40 minutes of proper regular exercise every day. So like normally whenever I tell parents that you should involve that half an hour or 1 hour of outdoor plays for the kid, so what they say, okay, he is going for this coaching, he is going for that coaching, he is doing cycling. It is not important that he is spending some 1 hour, 2 hour time outside house. We have to see what exactly kid is doing during that time. Like he is in some kind of basketball practice and all, and he is waiting for 45 minutes and getting turned for 5 minutes. That doesn't count into physical activity. Best is to send them for jogging or brisk walk for half an hour to 45 minutes. That will be the easiest thing that can be done anywhere, does not need special facilities or anything. That is a very important thing that we are missing in our kids. So high fiber diet, less processed food, less sugary food, and more of physical activity. So that is all prevention. Now you will ask, if my child has this, now fatty liver is there, what should I do? What medicines? So preferably we should be avoiding medicines in the kid. Not many medications are still recommended for pediatric age group. If you control the diet, if you increase the physical activity, most of these changes are reversible. If we don't control it, over the time there will be liver inflammation, even some fibrosis, or we say cirrhosis of the liver can happen in after years of the disease. So we need to do the prevention. If we find that our kid is having fatty liver, we need to again use our diet and make it very clear that child is having regular exercise time. And if complications of fatty liver are happening, then your doctor will definitely suggest you some medications. So now this fatty liver is getting into an epidemic, and we need to prevent for bright future of our kids.